Hey everyone, just a quick video to say thank you because I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Not a milestone I ever thought about ever achieving, to be quite honest. It still amazes me that there are 1,000 people that are interested in listening to me waffle on. But I thought to celebrate, I'd run a bit of a competition, a bit of a promotion as well. So I'll be giving away, I think, 5 cases. Just drop a like and a comment on this video, and next Friday I'll pick 5 comments at random, and you get to pick any case from my site, open worldwide. Anyone can enter, and I'll ship it to you. Also, for the next week, I'm going to run a promotion on the site, which is the biggest promo I've ever done, which is 20% off any order shipping worldwide. There'll be a promo code in the description for that. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. There's some interesting stuff coming, so stick around.